After 14 billion years ago, the universe materialized out of nothing for unknown reasons. Infinitely smaller than an atom to begin with, the universe expanded to a trillion kilometers across in under a second, an event called the Big Bang. The Big Bang was not an explosion of matter through space, it was an expansion of space itself. The universe began as something called a singularity, a point of zero size but infinite density. According to scientists, this Big Bang can be broadly classified under 11 steps. Number 1. The universe appears out of nowhere. At the start, the universe consists purely of energy and is infinitely dense and unimaginable hot, 10 billion trillion degrees Celsius. Number 2. Within a tiny fraction of a second, the universe balloons in size from trillions of times smaller than an atom to the size of a city. The rate of expansion then slows. Number 3. The intense energy of the newborn universe creates matter. At first, the matter is a soup of particles and antiparticles. These crash into and cancel each other out, turning back into energy. But some of the matter is left over. This will eventually turn into atoms and later stars and galaxies. Number 4. The universe is now about 1 microsecond old and 100 billion kilometers wide. The leftover particles begin to form protons and neutrons, the particles that today make up the nuclei of atoms. But the universe is too hot for atoms to form yet. Light cannot pass through the sea of particles, so the young universe resembles a dense fog. Number 5. After 379,000 years, the universe cools enough for atoms to form. The universe is now a vast cloud of hydrogen and helium. Light can pass through space more easily and the universe becomes transparent. Number 6. Half a million years after the Big Bang, matter is spread out almost evenly in the universe, but tiny ripples exist. Working on these denser patches, gravity begins pulling the matter into clumps. Number 7. At 300 million years, stars appears. Stars form when great clouds of gas are pulled into tight knots by gravity. The pressure and heat become so intense in the dense pockets of gas that nuclear reaction begin, igniting the star. Number 8. At 500 million years, the first galaxies are forming. Galaxies are enormous clouds of stars held together by gravity. Number 9. Now 5 billion years old, the universe consists of vast clusters of galaxies arranged in threads with gigantic voids between them. The voids get ever bigger as space continues to expand. At 8 billion years, the expansion of the universe begins to accelerate. Number 10. Our solar system forms at 9 billion years. When the universe is 20 billion years old, the sun will expand in size and destroy Earth. Number 11. The universe will carry on expanding forever, becoming cold and dark everywhere.